Hi students, Wendi Fraser from Canam here in Australia. If IT is your passion or you're currently working in IT, why not take advantage of the very generous post-study work rights? Get true Australian experience through your course as well as when you graduate with those post-study work rights. So some of the courses available: Bachelor of Business Analytics, Information Technology and Systems, Engineering, Software Engineering, Master of Data Sciences, Cybersecurity. The list is actually really long. So if you're passionate about IT or you're currently working in IT, you can look at a master degree, or if you're a fresher from year 12, why don't you consider one of the bachelor degrees in IT and take advantage of this great opportunity in Australia for post-study work rights and hands-on experience here in Australia, and expand your cultural environment by studying in Australia and working in an Australian environment. Pop in and see one of our Canam consultants in our 30+ offices, as it's a large list and they can guide you on what is the right course for you. So thanks, and keep up to date with what's happening in Australia by following Canam's social media. Thank you.